members, sponsors, valued members, students, and alumni present here today. On the behalf of Department of Political Science, I, Samita Outsert,
And I, Swaraj Vandre, welcome you all to the day one of Niti Kushal.
सगळ्यांनी बसून घ्या लवकरात लवकर. आपण कार्यक्रम थोड्याच वेळात सुरू करतोय. तर कार्यक्रम सुरू करण्यापूर्वी या महिन्यामध्ये भारत मातेने आपले 2 सुपुत्र गमावलेले आहेत. माजी पंतप्रधान, जागतिक कीर्तीचे अर्थतज्ञ आणि भारताच्या आर्थिक सुधारणांचे शिल्पकार डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंग, तसेच भारतीय शास्त्रीय संगीताला ज्यांनी अतुल्य योगदान दिलेलं आहे असे पद्मविभूषण उस्ताद झाकीर हुसेन यांचं दुःखद निधन झालेलं आहे या महिन्यात. तर त्या दोघांना आपण सर्वांनी उभे राहून श्रद्धांजली अर्पण करूया. धन्यवाद. बसून घ्या.
Samita, do you know what Niti Kushal is all about?
of course, the Department of Political Science has been hosting Niti Kushal, a student-driven academic festival, for the past 17 years. The event focuses on contemporary and impactful themes such as 50 years of Maharashtra, Panchayati Raj, and women empowerment, and India's national security at 75. This year, the theme for Niti Kushal 2024-25 is India's Constitution at 75, marking 75 years since the adoption of India's Constitution. The festival features several engaging activities, including Rajnitik, an annual students' magazine, #Jan Ki Baat, a theme-based survey conducted by the students, an intercollegiate quiz competition, street play performances, and scholarly lectures by eminent speakers.
That's truly impressive, Samita. Niti Kushal has been a platform for students to delve critically into important issues and present their perspectives. Today, we celebrate the event and the legacy of the Indian Constitution, which has guided our nation for 75 glorious years. Do you know that the Constitution of India, which is the longest written constitution in the world, was handwritten in Hindi as well as English rather than being printed or typed? The document was written by Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada in a calligraphy font. The pages of the Constitution were designed by Nandalal Bose and a group of artists from Vishwa Bharati School of Shantiniketan with scenes from the country's history dating back to the Harappan civilization. I would like to tell the audience that the replica of the original Constitution is on display with us today. A special thanks to Honorable S.K. Jain sir for providing us with a replica of the Constitution for our program.
Moving on, to get things started on a melodious note, we invite the musical team for a beautiful and meaningful rendition of their song, which captures the essence of our Constitution. I now invite Sneha Karanskar, a third-year BA student of Political Science, who has written this beautiful song.
नमस्कार, मी स्नेहा कारंजकर, TYBA राज्यशास्त्र विभागाची विद्यार्थिनी आहे. तसं सांगायचं गेलं तर संविधानाचं महत्त्व किंवा संविधानाची महती एवढी विशाल आहे की ती एखाद्या गाण्यात एखाद्या कवितेत सांगता येणं तसं कठीणच आहे. पण ते तितकं सोपं पण आहे, कारण आपल्या महाराष्ट्राला संतांची अभंगांची तेवढे संस्कार आहेत आपल्यावरती. हे जे अभंग आता ते सादर करतील त्याला मूळतः बघ उघडून दार संविधानातला या अभंगाची चाल आहे. जसं ह्या गाण्यात विठ्ठल देव जसा चराचरात आहे हे सांगितलं गेलं आहे, तसंच आपण अनुभवू शकतो की संविधान आपल्याला दैनंदिन आयुष्यात प्रत्येक ठिकाणी लागतं. तर हेच सांगायचा प्रयत्न मी या अभंगातून केला आहे. तर आपल्या विद्यार्थ्यांच्या मधुर आवाजात तुम्ही ते ऐकावं, त्याचा आस्वाद घ्यावा ही विनंती. धन्यवाद.
हॅलो. पारतंत्र्याने जीव हशिणला, व्यथा तुलाही पोचल का? दारोदारी
Once again, let's have a huge round of applause for our performance. Music indeed sets a tone for an event, and that was a perfect beginning.
Indeed. Swaraj, do you know that this year's Niti Kushal has a very unique initiative?
Really? What's so special this year?
While studying the constitution of our country, the students of political science were motivated to come up with their very own preamble of our department, which highlights the values that will guide us and our conduct in college and as well as in the future. Now, we will be having a collective reading of our preamble.
We invite the students of Department of Political Science to read our preamble. We, the students of Department of Political Science at Sir Parshuram Bhau College, Pune,
come together to pen this preamble to guide our conduct in the college and in our lives ahead. Inspired by the rich traditions of political thought and democratic ideals, we promise to encourage civil consciousness, analytical insight, and social responsibility. Among ourselves and in society, we dedicate ourselves to gaining knowledge